Welcome back. It's Mike, your Wood River Valley real estate agent, and today I just wanted to share some quick statistics from April 2025. So let's dive into it with some Sun Valley residential. So far this year in Sun Valley, we've had 30 sold properties with a median sales price of just about $900,000, which is down 28.43%. Average days on market's 145, and that's up 43.56%. And active listings is also up 47.1% with 50 active listings. Looking at Ketchum, we've got 39 properties sold year to date with a median sales price of $1.448 million. That's down 17.23%. Average days on market, 111 days on market. That is also down 23.45%. And active listings, we've got 72, and that's up 28.6%. So it's been interesting to keep an eye on Sun Valley and Ketchum. I was curious with the World Cup if we were going to see a little, World Cup bump in sales. Perhaps we're not quite far enough out yet to see those statistical changes, but over the week of the race, the occupancy rate was up there. It was around 90%. So there was a lot of people here to see what a great spot we live in. And I think people were curious to see if there was going to be a bump in sales. We've got, some more inventory in Sun Valley and Ketchum at the moment. So perhaps people with those, investment properties or those condos they've been thinking about selling were, trying to get good timing with all the eyes of the alpine racing world upon us, seeing what a great spot we live in, and they're putting it on the market, kind of see what happens. So maybe next month we'll get a better idea if there was a bump over the World Cup. So definitely be keeping an eye on that. Hopping a little bit south, we're looking at some Hailey residential, and so far this year in Hailey, there's been 36 properties sold with a median sales price of just about $855,000. That's an increase of 18.82%. Average days on market's 92, which is not a huge change year to date, up about 2.22%. And active listings, 22 active listings, which is down 55.1%. Bellevue residential, 6 sold properties year to date. Median sales price is $682,500, which is up 65.86%. Average days on market, 73, which is down 12%. Active listings, 8, also down 11.1%. So right now, I think the story with Hailey and Bellevue is obviously the inventory and lack of it. Right now, the absorption rate for Hailey is just about 2. So it's definitely a seller's market. I've seen, over the past week or so, there's been 4 different properties that have been pended in under 10 days. So the demand is there. We'll see what happens as spring rolls on. Maybe there'll be some more listings that pop up, some more properties for sale. But for right now, if you're thinking about selling your home in Hailey, it could be a great time. We'll definitely keep an eye on these statistics and see how things unfold. But if you have any other questions or if I missed anything, leave a comment. Please let me know, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching.